Demo. Power distribution. Diesel engine is main source of power. It is turbo powered 4 stroke 12 cylinders 1600 HP engine. Diesel engine model 3512C. Type 4 stroke, cooling water cooled, cylinders 12, injection electronic fuel injection, HP 1600 horsepower, specific fuel consumption 225.1 gr bar bkw hour, pre-lubrication nil, turbochargers to lube oil sump capacity 310 liters, expansion tank capacity 183 liters. Traction alternator converts rotatory motion into electrical power. It is coupled directly to engine. Traction alternator 6-pole 3-phase star connected bushless alternator. It has got two parts. One is exciter, second one is alternator. Exciter field is built in the alternator stator body. Exciter output coils are built on the shaft. Its field is excited through 110 volts DC via IGBT. Exciter output is a 3-phase AC voltage. Exciter output is rectified through diodes. Diodes are mounted on the shaft. The DC output is fed to alternate field. Alternator field is mounted on the shaft. Alternator generates 3-phase volt AC voltage. Ratings: maximum voltage 1400 volts AC, maximum current 440 amps, maximum RPM 1800, 1 hour rating 1400 volts 570 amps. Rectifier unit is mounted on the alternator. Cooling air passes through rectifier and then to alternator. Rectifier 3-phase full wave bridge rectifier. Ratings: nominal voltage 1800 volts, nominal current 600 amps, maximum voltage 2400 volts, maximum current 750 amps. Diode rating 1978 amps, 5200 volts. Protections: fuse for overcurrent, thermal switch for over temperature. Rectified output DCLV connected to traction control cubicles TCC1 and TCC2 via DCLIS and DC link switches. TCC has got 3-phase modules to generate 3-phase AC. The onboard computer generate VVVF output. Each TCC power up 2 traction motors. The traction motors are 3-phase induction motors. Traction motor 3-phase Y connected induction motor. Continuous ratings 1375 volts, 188 amps, 1398 RPM, 352 kilowatts. 1 hour ratings 1375 volts, 200 amps, 1396 RPM, 375 kilowatts. 2-minute ratings 1375 volts, 215 amps, 1393 RPM, 400 kilowatts. Gear ratio 103:23. When DPC is set to motoring, VCC energizes DCLS1 and DCLS2. VCC sends PWM signal to exciter field. When exciter field gets modulated supply, alternator generates 3-phase AC and is rectified by the rectifier. Both TCC draw current through DCLS1, DCLS2 and generate 3-phase variable voltage and variable frequency. TCC output, variable voltage and variable frequency, is connected to TM's three-phase induction motors. When driver changes notch to move DPC, VCC decide required DC link voltage as per new notch and speed. Accordingly, VCC generates PWM signal to change the duty cycle on to off ratio of IGBT in exciter field current. Exciter field current changes and alternator voltage is set to new limit. VCC calculates the new required torque based on DPC speed and working notch. VCC communicates the required torque to both TCCs. When driver changes notch to move DPC, TCC decides the frequency and then voltage required for the new torque. Accordingly, TCC adjusts the switching sequence and timings of IGBTs. The generated three-phase AC voltage is applied to traction motors. TCC computes torque developed by traction motors and send this value as a torque feedback. VCC compares this with torque required and send new torque requirement to TCC. The cycle repeats till torque required equal to torque feedback. Brake chopper is protecting device. It short the DCLV whenever its voltage is more than set limit. APC takes supply from DC link and it generates 415 volts AC and 110 volts DC. Thank you.